For this ear saver pattern, to remove pressure from both the top and the bottom of your ears, you'll be stitching 2 straps together at the ends, with the top ear strap being slightly larger than the bottom one. This allows the strap to rest on either side of the crown of your head, holding the mask in place and diverting pressure from your ears. First, crochet your top and bottom straps. They should have the same number of rows, but one should have slightly more stitches than the other. For example, my 2 straps are 6.5 inches long and 5.5 inches long. Adjust the sizing of these pieces to your preference, but generally allow 1 to 2 inches difference between the bottom and top pieces. Chain the length of your first strap and crochet rows of single crochet stitches until your desired height is reached. Repeat this process for your second strap. To make the crochet buttons, wrap yarn around your finger or a pen around 15 times. Chain 1 and single crochet into the loop. Slide the yarn off your finger or pen and single crochet into the loop until you reach the beginning crochet. This should be around 15 single crochets. Slip into the first single crochet and fasten off. Now, taking your rectangle and one of your buttons, with the bottom strand threaded through a yarn needle, sew the button to your rectangle. Try to avoid stitching too closely to the sides. Orient the 2 straps with the ending rows on the inside. Otherwise, the tight beginning chains will pull the ear saver inward. Weave in all ends except for the 2 innermost strands. Stitch the ends of the 2 rectangles together like so. Enjoy your new ear savers, make some for your family and friends, and stay safe out there.